we are going to see about the exercise 1.1, the number of prime number between 11 and 60 is dash. They are asking. So number of prime number between. So it's very difficult to write, right? So I am directly taking this tabulation. So from 11 to 60 they are asking. So where is 11? So in this tabulation to this tabulation. So how many prime numbers I am having? So the round of term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 prime numbers, right? Up to 60 only they are asking. So I am having a 13 prime numbers. Okay. Then the numbers 29 and dash are twin primes. So we already know the pairs means so 5 and 7 only they given in your book. The same. So we are having a pair is a 29. So what is the next prime number? So 30 is not a prime number. So 30 I can write 5, 6 are right. So it's not a prime number. So 31 I can write 31 into 1. So this is prime. So 31. So 31 minus 29 only I am getting a 2, right? So 31. The next number only you can take. 3753. 3753 is divisible by 9. It's divisible by dash. So if it is divisible by 9 table means is obviously divisible by 3. I already told, right? 3. So number of distinct prime factors of the smallest 4-digit number. So you are having a 4. So what is a prime? 2 2s are. So I can write my prime factor. They are asking prime factor. So what is your prime factor? 2. 1 2. Then the sum of distinct prime factor of 30 is dash. So sum of. So 30 I can write 3 tens are. Again I can write this is how much? 5 2s are. Right? So sum of distinct prime. So how many? So 30 I can write 2 into 3 into 5. In order I written. So sum of this. Sum of how many? 2 plus 3 plus 5. How much I am getting? 0. So yeah, 10, right? Then the sum of any odd number of odd number is always even. So whether it's a true or false they are asking. So for example I am taking any 2 odd numbers, ma'am. What are the odd numbers? 1 3 5 7 and 9 11 etc, right? So sum of any. So 1 plus 3 I am getting even number, right? But what they mention any number. So if I am taking 3 numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5, so 4 plus 5, so 9, but it's a odd number, right? It's not even. So this is a odd and this is a even. If they mention sum of any 2 odd number means surely that will become an even number, but they didn't mention like that. Any number means I can take 3 numbers or 4 numbers or 5 numbers. So if you are having a 3 numbers means you are getting a 9. So obviously it's not possible. So this is a false. So every natural number is either prime or composite. So for example, every natural number means what? 1 2 3 etc. It's keep on going, right? It's either prime or composite. So 4 5 6 7 like that. So this is a prime number. Where is the prime number? 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 7. So 2 3. For example I am taking 5 7. So composite I am taking C is my composite number. So 4 6 4 6 etc. Just keep on going. But 1 is a neutral number. It's not a prime as well as a composite. So we are having extra 1 number without prime, without composite. So obviously it is false, right? Because every natural number is either prime or not means a composite. But we know 1 is not a prime nor composite. Yeah. So if a number is divisible by 6, then it must be divisible by 3. Yeah, we already know, right? So if it is divisible by 6 means obviously it should be divisible by 2 and 3. So this is true. 1 6 2 5 4. So 1 6 2 5 4 is divisible by what they mentioned? Divisible by 2 3 6 9 they mentioned. So 2 means it's n by 8. So 2 is divisible. and 3 means if I am adding this number 1 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4, if it is coming in 3 table any number means it's divisible by 3. So 1 plus this is 7 plus this 9 plus 5 9 plus 5 how much? 14 plus 4 18. So 18 in 3 table in 18, so I can divide how much? 6 times. So it is also divisible by 6. So if it is 2 table and 3 table is divisible means obviously 6 table also divisible. In 9 table 18 what they mention in 9 table, all the terms is adding, so 18 is also divisible by 9 table for 2 times. So all the values possible, right? So this is true. The number of distinct prime factor of 105 is 3. So 105 I am taking end by 5 means I can take 5 table. So how many? So I can divide 5 for how many times? 2 1, so 21 times. So I can split this. So I can split this is 3 7s are. So how many factors I am getting? 5 3 7. So 105 having 3 into 5 into 7. So difference. Prime numbers. These are the prime into 1. But 1 is not a prime factor, right? So that's why I accepted that 1 I am adding. So 3 into 5 into. So how many? 1 2 3. So obviously it's 3, right? So this is true. That's it.